Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Tether from KuCoin to Gemini in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for moving funds between exchanges without wild price swings. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching platforms, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Gemini. If you haven't already, download the apps or head to their websites and complete the verification process. Security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account and navigate to the wallet section. Here, you'll generate a withdrawal address for USDT. Remember, Tether can be on different networks like Tron or ERC20, so double-check which one you're using to avoid any transfer issues or extra fees. Next, hop over to KuCoin. Go to your wallet, select Tether, and choose the Withdraw option. Paste the address you copied from Gemini, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to select the correct network. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Before you hit Confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're good, approve the withdrawal. You'll likely see a confirmation email or in-app notification. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Gemini and check your wallet. Your Tether should appear, and you're all set. Pro tip: always keep an eye on transaction fees. They can add up, so plan accordingly. In 2025, with evolving regulations, it's wise to stay updated on any platform-specific rules. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring Tether from KuCoin to Gemini. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe out there and happy trading. See you next time.